Hyundai Santro 2001 Review Strong Engine Low Budget Deal. Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are bringing you a budget-friendly and practical hatchback, perfect for daily city use. If you are looking for a low-maintenance car with a strong engine and suspension, then this option is definitely worth considering. The car we have today is a Hyundai Santro, model 2001. Hyundai Santro has always been known for its reliable performance, comfortable drive, and economical maintenance, which is why it is still popular in the used car market. Let's start with the overall condition of the car. This Hyundai Santro comes with a genuine interior, which is a big plus point. The seats, dashboard, and panels are all in original condition and well maintained. A genuine interior usually shows that the car has been used carefully and not abused over the years. The cabin feels practical, simple, and comfortable for daily driving. Now talking about the exterior condition. The outside body has some work required, which has been clearly mentioned. This work is cosmetic in nature, and buyers can easily get it done according to their own budget and preference. For many buyers, this is actually an advantage because they can customize the exterior after purchase. The structure of the car remains decent and usable. Moving on to the engine condition, which is one of the strongest points of this car. The engine is 100% okay. It runs smoothly, starts easily, and delivers reliable performance for daily use. There are no major engine issues, no unusual noises, and no smoke problems reported. For a car of this age, a strong engine is extremely important, and this Santro delivers exactly that. The suspension is also 100% okay. This means the car offers a comfortable ride, especially on city roads. Speed breakers and uneven roads are handled well, and the overall drive feels stable. Steering response is decent, and the car remains easy to control in traffic conditions. Hyundai Santro is known for its easy driving experience, especially in crowded city areas. Its compact size makes parking simple, and visibility from the driver's seat is good. Whether you are a new driver or an experienced one, this car feels friendly and easy to handle. Let's talk about fuel economy and maintenance. Hyundai Santro provides a reasonable fuel average when driven sensibly. Maintenance is also budget-friendly, and spare parts are easily available in the market. This makes it a great option for buyers who want a car that doesn't put pressure on monthly expenses. This car is ideal for first-time car buyers, daily office commute, ride or delivery work, small family city use, buyers with a limited budget. Now coming to the demand and location. The demand for this Hyundai Santro 2001 is 550,000. Considering the strong engine, 100% suspension, and genuine interior, the demand is kept reasonable and market competitive. Location: Karachi. Karachi buyers can easily inspect the car in person before finalizing the deal. If you are searching for a budget hatchback that offers reliability, comfort, and low running costs, then this Hyundai Santro is definitely worth checking out. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. For more budget cars and honest reviews, stay connected with us. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.